Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to long range weather forecast discussion for November 7th to 19th. November 7th to the 11th, this is what we're forecasting. We have a ridge here that's over western North America. We have a deep trough here across eastern U.S. And we go through the pattern through the days. You can see the trough digs down and through the eastern U.S. This is what we're forecasting for this period. Now, in this period, there is the potential for development off the northeast coast by Friday, and the details of feature closely tied to the evolution and time of energy moving across the Midwest and Great Lakes. So we'll take a look at that. Here we go. Here's the energy coming here, and then we come to Thursday. This is the GFS, and then we go to Thursday night, Friday. And there goes the storm. It pushes it more to the south. Now we look at the European. Come Tuesday, Wednesday. Here comes the energy. Here comes the storm. And it brings a system up off the northeast coast. Now here's the 540 line. To the north would be snow. To the south would probably be rain and mix. And then the low gets further offshore now, pushes rain and snow line through the south, and this is bringing snow to the major metropolitan areas. So it still has a lot to be watched during this period. Now we have strong high pressure to the north that would be sufficient for the cold air, and we'll keep an eye on this in the next couple of days. Elsewhere, warm and dry conditions expected west of the Rockies, and Pacific moisture may move in to portions of the Northwest, higher elevations. And then we'll have a series of clipper systems moving across, bringing snow and mostly snow to the Great Lakes and the Northeast. Okay, we're going to look now at the period from November 10th to the 14th. You can see the pattern doesn't change very much. Everything's very good agreement. So for this forecast period, forecasting above normal temperatures here, and forecasting numbers of 4 to 8 degrees above normal. Below normal temperatures are forecast for this region here, and the forecasting numbers of 4 to 8 degrees below normal are forecast for precipitation. Calling for below normal precipitation for the west, and forecasting the probability of occurrence of 35 to 45%, and then we have above normal precipitation for much of this area here, the plains, the Atlantic coast, and the probability of occurrence is 35 to 45%. Going further ahead to the forecast period, this is for November 15th to 19th, and still the pattern remains locked in place, ridge, trough configuration, so everything's in good. So for this forecast period, forecasting above normal temperatures for the western states, and a forecasting numbers of 4 to 8 degrees above normal. Below normal temperatures are forecast from the Mississippi Valley to Atlantic coast, and forecast anomalies of 4 to 6 degrees below normal. Some of the models are showing higher anomalies, closer to 12, but for now 4 to 6 degrees below normal are forecast. And for precipitation, again, below normal precipitation forecast for the western states, probability of occurrence 35 to 45%. And then we have above normal precipitation for the southeast, the mid-Atlantic, and the northeast. And the probability of occurrence is 40%. Keep in mind, again, some of the models are forecasting below normal temperature, below normal precipitation for the east. But for now, I'm going for this. That's why I have a low probability. That's the long range weather forecast discussion for November 17th and 19th, for the 7th to the 19th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.